Hey guys, this is Kevin Jeans here. We have had some snow off and on throughout the day today. Now tonight and through tomorrow morning we'll probably get more snow, but the accumulations overall probably an inch or less all the way through tomorrow morning and into tomorrow afternoon. So tonight, cold again, some of us dropping into the upper teens, other areas lower 20s, so really ranging anywhere from about 18 to 22 degrees by sunrise time tomorrow morning. So in terms of the snow, it's going to be off and on, and I think we'll also get longer breaks between some of these snow showers as the snow gradually tapers off overnight before we get then another round of some light to moderate snow showers through tomorrow morning. So this is 2 o'clock in the morning. There's still going to be off and on snow overnight, and this is around the sunrise time tomorrow throughout the morning, off and on snow showers still, and then tomorrow afternoon the snow starts to really taper off and kind of thin out. And so as you get closer to 2, 3, 4 o'clock or so later on in the day tomorrow, probably just mostly cloudy skies with occasionally a few flurries. But snow totals, again, an inch or less. Many of us probably in the less category. So there's not going to be a whole lot in terms of accumulation, but you're going to see some snow falling still tonight and through tomorrow morning before that clears out by tomorrow evening. So temperatures tomorrow, starting out in the lower 20s. I think afternoon highs will actually climb up to maybe the lower 30s or so, but we may still be in the upper 20s through about lunchtime. Afternoon highs tomorrow 33 for Detroit. Some of us may be only into the upper 20s, but then we're looking at highs around the upper 30s for Sunday and Monday. Notice a 30% chance, could be a rain, snow, kind of a wintry mix late Sunday, and then again during the day Monday. Could be rain at times, Monday especially, but temperatures above freezing at least by Sunday afternoon, and then heading into next week. Looks somewhat dry Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday before we get another chance of snow by Friday next week.